For years, Pro meant thick. If you wanted the best cameras and the fastest chips, you had to settle for a brick in your pocket. But Motorola just changed the math. This is the Moto X70 Air Pro. It's 6.99 millimeters thin, yet it's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Is this the perfect flagship? Or is Motorola pushing the limits of physics too far? The engineering here is the headline. At under 7 millimeters and 186 grams, it's remarkably light, but it feels substantial thanks to the aerospace aluminum frame. What's more impressive? They didn't sacrifice durability. We've got Gorilla Glass Victus 2, IP68 and IP69 water resistance, and even mild STD810H drop protection. It's thin, but it isn't fragile. The screen is a 6.78-inch 1.5K OLED panel, but the number you need to know is 6200. That is the peak brightness in nits. It's arguably the brightest panel on the market right now, making outdoor visibility a non-issue. It supports a variable 165 Hz refresh rate, though most of your daily tasks will hover at 120 to save juice. Inside, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Motorola opted for the flagship silicon here, instead of the 7 series found in the standard Air. In benchmarks, it's a monster. However, in a 7mm chassis, heat has to go somewhere. During a 30-minute gaming session, you will feel that aluminum frame get warm. Moto's new VC liquid cooling does a decent job, but expect some minor throttling during intense renders or long sessions. On the camera front, the Moto X70 Air Pro may offer a 50-megapixel Sony L-White 500 sensor for selfies. The rear setup is said to include a 50-megapixel Sony 828 primary camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, and a 50-megapixel L-White 600 periscope telephoto lens with 3G optical zoom and OIS. Moto AI handles the post-processing, and while it's a bit punchier than the natural look of a Sony or Xiaomi, the detail in the shadows is top tier for 2026. How did they fit a 5200 mAh battery in here? Silicon carbon tech. It allows for higher density in a smaller footprint. You're looking at a full day of use, and with 50 watts wireless charging, 90-watt wired charging, you're back to 100% in about 28 minutes. Software-wise, it's Android 16 with a 7-year update promise. Motorola is finally matching Samsung and Google on longevity. At roughly $650 for the base 12 to 56 gigabytes model, the X70 Air Pro is a disruptor. It's a rebadged version of the signature flagship for the global market, and it proves that the thin phone era doesn't have to be underpowered. If you value aesthetics and pocketability but refuse to give up flagship performance, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.